right, so let's do this then. So year 2000, we have a tree and its height is 30 feet. By the year 2010, the tree is 50 feet high. So it has grown from 30 feet to 50 feet. And what I want y'all to figure out is, what is the average growth rate per year, or each year? Like, what's the average growth rate per year? Now, I don't know what the height of this tree was in 2005 or 2008 or 2006 or whatever. I don't know, but I want the average growth rates to estimate the heights of the tree between these years. Okay, so overall we have a total growth of what? Over the 10 years, the tree has grown how much? Okay, so it's grown 20 feet in how many years? 10 years. Watch this. Go do this. 20 feet over 10 years. Beautiful. Look at that. 20 feet in 10 years. Do that. See? So that is, or you could say, like you said, 20 feet in 10 years. Right? 20 feet in 10 years. Now, what happens when you divide 20 by 10? What do you get? 2. Okay, so it's 2. What does that 2 represent? 2 feet. It's 2 feet per year. 2 feet per year. Right? Every year, it's grown by 2 feet. Isn't it? So, like, what would it be in... So, 2000, what's the height? 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. What's the height in these years? Tell me. The height in 2000 is what? Right. Yep. 2002, 34. 2003. Yeah. Yep. 5, 6, 7, 2008, 2009, and 2010. So then it becomes 2004, it's 38 feet, right? And then it's 40 feet, and then it's 42 feet, and then it's 44 feet, and then it's 46 feet, and then it's 48 feet, and finally in the year 2010, it's how high? Feet. Now, do we beat this to death? And if we put that on a graph, it went from 30 feet to 50 feet. Look, that's a nice straight line, by the way. And this is the year 2000, and this is 2010, right? So it went up a total of 20 feet, didn't it? Right, that was the total growth, but it was 2 feet per year. Every year went up by 2, on average, right? Until it finally got to 50. And that's what average growth rate means. On average, it's going up 2 feet per year. Does that make sense? Okay. So if I was to ask you to figure out what would the height be in the year 2007, what would you do? Adding 2's. Well, there's a cooler way than adding 2's. It's called multiplication. Right, and so you can go to you can start with 30, right? So well don't start with 30, right? But how many years past 2000 are we at? 2007 is for how far away from the year 2000? 7 years. 7 years, right? Yeah, because you just go, 2007 minus 2000 to get 7, right? Okay, and it's a growth rate of 2 feet per year, right? So, well, every year for 7 years it's growing by 2 feet, isn't it? So what about 7 times 2? Would that work? Right? But you're not sure. 30 plus, what's 7 times 2? Okay. 30 plus 14 is 44 feet in height, right? Does that make sense? About 2007, if we checked, it'd be about 44 feet, because it was 50 by 2010, so about 44 feet or so. It's in between 30 and 50 anyway, right? Yeah, that's correct, yeah.